Here on our farm, we soil test every 3 to 4 years. We have gone from just maybe one or two, three, four samples to a field down to I wouldn't really call it grid sampling, but it's on a much smaller basis, 2.5 to maybe 5 acre grids or bigger, just depending on field type and variation. One of the things that we don't necessarily have a lot of here in Wood County, Ohio, is a lot of soil variation. Most of our soils are Hoytville clay, with a few other variations, different soils scattered in. But while we actually see quite a bit of variation in those fields that maybe are all the same soil type. So we've moved to that. The other reason that we've moved to a little more intensive soil sampling is obviously the cost of nutrients, particularly phosphorus and or potash. Sulfur now is becoming even more of an applied nutrient for us. So now that we're testing for sulfur, but really potash and phosphorus. So we're really able to use those soil tests to apply our nutrients appropriately. And we're using those nutrients as well as nitrogen to develop prescriptions for our farm.